Hi friends, welcome to AutoCAD online training presented by BIMLabs Engineering Services Private Limited. BIMLabs is an Autodesk authorized learning partner. I'm Irish Haji, working as a technical engineer at BIMLabs. Today's topic is AutoCAD coordinate system. So if you want to draw a drawing using the coordinate system, how to do it? You can draw the drawing according to the coordinate system without using any of the other tools. Mainly, the coordinate system is divided into two, absolute and relative. Absolute system itself is also divided into two types, absolute Cartesian or rectangular system and absolute polar system. In absolute Cartesian system, you will be inputting the coordinates, the x and y coordinates, and in absolute polar system, you will be inputting a distance and an angle. And the angle must be with respect to the origin. In relative system, the previous point becomes the origin. In relative Cartesian system, we will be inputting in a format at the rate xy. At the rate, we will be inputting the x and y distances. In relative polar system, we will be inputting it as at the rate x and an angle. That is a distance and an angle. And this angle will be with respect to the previous point. If you want to draw a rectangle like this with length 50 and width 30, in absolute rectangular system, how to draw it? So for that, I'm just choosing the line tool. I'm just starting from the origin point, that is 0, 0. So first, I'm just inputting it as 0, 0, enter. Now I want the length to be 50 and to this direction. So I'm just inputting it as 50, 0, enter. Now the next point is 50, 30. So I'm just giving the input as 50, 30, enter. Then to this side, its next coordinate is 0, 30. So I'm just inputting 0, 30, enter. Now to close this one, you can either enter the next coordinate or you can use this close option. So this is how to draw a rectangle or a drawing in absolute rectangle system. Then the second one is absolute polar system. It's not commonly used since we have to provide the angle with respect to the origin point at every point. Okay. And the next type is relative rectangular system. In relative rectangular system, the previous point becomes the origin and we have to input the distances with respect to the angles. That is if I have to draw a line to this direction, the angle will be 0 degree, and to this direction, the angle will be 90 degree, and to this direction, the angle will be 180 degree, and to this direction, it will be 270 degree. And if you want any angle between these angles, you have to calculate it accordingly. So now I'm going to draw the same rectangle with the same direction in relative rectangular system. So for that, I'm just again choosing the line option. Now you can choose whatever point you want. So I'm just starting from a coordinate 100, 100. So I'm just inputting the coordinate as 100, 100, enter. So it's starting from here. Now my next coordinate is, now this point becomes the origin. So that this point is 0, 0. So the next point will be 50, 0. Since we are using the relative rectangular system, you have to provide the at the rate. So at the rate 50, 0, enter. Okay. Then the next one is to the upward direction and its coordinate is 0, 30 since this is the origin. So again at the rate 0, 30, enter. Now to this direction, this is the negative direction. So I have to give the negative value. Again at the rate negative 50, 0, enter. Now we can either give the next coordinate or you can simply give the close option. So that is how to draw in a relative rectangular system. Then the last one is relative polar system. In that we'll be providing the distance as well as the angle. So I'm again choosing the line option. So I'm just picking a point here. I'm just starting from here. And to this direction, the angle is 0 and I want a distance of 50. So this point becomes the origin, and from this origin point, the distance is 50. So at the rate 50, then angle 0 degree, enter. Now the next direction, next line to this direction, its angle is 90 degree and the distance is 30. So at the rate distance is 30, then its angle is 90 degree, enter. And to this direction, its angle is 180 degree and its distance is 50. Again at the rate 50, angle is 180, enter. And then for the last one, I'm just clicking here, close. So this is how to draw in a relative polar system. So I think you understood how to use the coordinate system in AutoCAD. We can meet on the next video with another topic. Thank you all. Keep watching.